In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring meetings in Zoom. Recurring meetings are perfect for classes, weekly team check-ins, or any session that happens on a predictable schedule. Instead of creating a new meeting each time, you can set it up once and let Zoom handle the repeats. Here's how to do it clearly and confidently. Start by opening Zoom and heading to the main screen. Look for the Schedule button. This opens the meeting setup window, where you'll name your meeting and pick the initial date and time. While you're here, it's a good idea to double-check your time zone so your invitations show the right times for everyone. You can also review options like using a passcode and enabling the waiting room, depending on your organization's preferences. Next, find the option that controls repetition. In many versions, you'll see a checkbox or toggle labeled Recurring Meeting or Repeat. Click that to tell Zoom you want this meeting to happen more than once. Turning this on reveals the Recurrence settings, which is where the real time saver lives. Now choose how often the meeting repeats. You can select common patterns like daily, weekly, or monthly. For a weekly meeting, pick the specific day or days that apply, such as every Monday or Monday and Wednesday. For monthly sessions, choose whether it repeats on a specific date, like the 15th, or on a position, like the second Tuesday of each month. Use the end settings to define when the series should stop, either after a set number of occurrences or on a particular date. Setting an end date helps prevent clutter on your calendar and avoids confusion later. If your schedule doesn't fit a standard pattern, make it custom. This is where you can fine-tune things like repeating every 2 weeks, selecting multiple non-consecutive days, or building a monthly pattern that lines up with your team's cadence. Keep in mind that participants appreciate consistency, so include only the occurrences you truly need and align them to the correct time zone to avoid surprises during daylight saving changes. When everything looks right, click Save. Zoom will create the meeting series using the options you chose. You'll see a single meeting with multiple occurrences under it, and the join link will be consistent for the whole series unless you later change the settings. Share that link or add the meeting to your calendar so invitations go out with the recurrence baked in. If your plans evolve, you can return to this meeting in Zoom and adjust the recurrence without rebuilding it from scratch. That's all there is to creating recurring meetings in Zoom. Set it once, share it once, and focus on the work that matters.